Hello, and welcome to my channel. My name's Tony, and this is KPKB Worldwide. And basically, this is just a collection of my personal projects, things that I take interest in. A lot of things that I think are important to be able to know how to do on your own. And I don't really like paying other people to do jobs that I can do myself. Most of the projects are going to be done in my home. Some of the projects are going to be done outside, and special other projects might be done in special interest that I have. Everything from a fireplace unit here to maybe even a stairwell, something custom to do it yourself pendant lights. Anyways, enough about that. Come, follow me. Let's get started.